Hello everybody, this is Kevin Dunlap with Optimal Performance Academy. I am the founder and lead trainer of this company. And what I want to do is actually introduce you to a brand new workshop that we have coming up called the Business Kickstarter Workshop. And this workshop can either be taken online, so that way you don't have to worry about travel or anything like that, or it can actually be, you can actually attend our live event that's coming up very soon, and that's going to be here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Some of the things that we're going to cover in this workshop are: what is your why? Why are you doing business? What's going to keep you motivated to work with your clients each and every single day? That will get you up in the morning, even if it's a cold, rainy day. Other things we're going to talk about are: who's your support system? Who in your life right now that you have that's in your personal life that's there to support you, and who is there not to support you? And you'll probably be amazed as to find out who may actually not be supporting you. Other things we'll be covering are: what are your limitations? What's keeping you from actually growing your business? And how can you get past those limitations? Next, we're going to be covering who is going to be on your team? Who's going to be on your initial team? And then the people that you want to have on your team later, that's going to be there to support you. They actually want to see you succeed outside of any kind of fantasy that you could ever dream of. So if this sounds like you, go ahead and click on the buttons to the left, register for one of our upcoming workshops, and I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. Until next time, be amazing.